Sometimes we're interested in two variables at the same time. For example, we might be interested in the class of individuals and the number of each sex that are in that class. For that, we want something called a contingency table. We want to know what the distribution of each is contingent on the other. Here we'll click Stat, Tables, Contingency with Data. This allows us to use the data we have on the screen to make a contingency table. Here we're given the options for both row and column variables. For our purposes, we can use these things in either order. We'll notice the difference when we see the output. Here, if we select class for our row and male-female for our column variables, we can again ignore these things until much later in the course. Click Compute. Now we'll notice that because we selected the class to be our row variables, they're listed along the left, and our male-female distribution is along the top. In each, we see the number of people that match that class and that gender. So here we have the number of people in first class who happened to have been female. Here we have the number of men in second class, women in third class. In addition, we have the totals along the ends. These are the marginal totals that are talked about in the books. All of these things will be used in greater depth later in this course.